Hello, everyone. Today I am talking about one of the most fascinating and revolutionary technologies of our time, artificial intelligence. In recent years, AI has grown by leaps and bounds, with advancements in machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and more. These technologies are changing the world in countless ways, both good and bad. In this discussion, I will talk about the benefits and possible side effects of AI in society, including the impact of AI websites. First, let's talk about the benefits of AI. AI technology has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education, to business, to entertainment. In the field of healthcare, AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. This can lead to better patient outcomes and faster, more cost-effective treatments. AI can also help researchers to develop new drugs and therapies by modeling and predicting how drugs will interact with the human body. In education, AI can provide personalized learning experiences for students by analyzing their strengths and weaknesses and adapting the curriculum to their needs. This can lead to better outcomes for students and a more efficient education system. In business, AI-powered systems can analyze customer data to improve marketing and customer service and automate routine tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. In entertainment, AI can be used to create more realistic and immersive gaming experiences and to generate personalized recommendations for movies, music, and TV shows based on a user's preferences. AI can also help to create new forms of art and music by analyzing existing works and generating new ones based on patterns and styles. If AI are significant, there are also potential side effects that we need to consider. One concern is that AI could lead to job loss. As more and more routine tasks are automated, this could lead to economic inequality and social unrest. Another concern is the potential for bias and discrimination in AI systems, as they may be trained on biased datasets or programmed with biased algorithms. This could lead to unequal treatment of individuals based on their race, gender, or other characteristics. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for nefarious purposes, such as cyber attacks, surveillance, and autonomous weapons. These could have devastating consequences for society if they fall into the wrong hands. Finally, there is the question of whether AI could become so advanced that it poses a threat to humanity. While this is currently the stuff of science fiction, some experts warn that we need to take this possibility seriously and develop ways to control and regulate AI. Finally, let's talk about the impact of AI websites. These websites use AI algorithms to provide various services to users, such as language translation, image recognition, and chatbots. For example, ChatGPT, Midjourney, DID, and Murf, to name a few. While these websites can be very helpful, they could also potentially take work away from people in these fields. There are also concerns about privacy and security. Users need to be careful about the data they share with these websites, as it could be used for malicious purposes. Another concern is the potential for AI websites to spread misinformation. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, they may be able to generate convincing fake news, which could be used to manipulate public opinion. Finally, there is the question of whether online AI websites will become too advanced and powerful, leading to a loss of control and oversight by us. AI is a technology with tremendous potential to benefit society in countless ways. However, we also need to be aware of the potential side effects and take steps to mitigate them. We need to develop ways to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly, and that it does not lead to economic inequality, discrimination, or harm to humanity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes. Also, in the comments below, let us know what you think of AI and where you think it is heading. Thanks for watching.